Hi there, I'm Wayne Cameron, the Antiques Answer Man, and every week I'll be introducing you to the world of antiques and fine art. With over 40 years as an antiques and fine art dealer, I've gleaned a lot of information that I'd like to be able to share with you, so you can have an idea what makes a great antique and so-so an antique, or what makes a painting great and not worth really collecting. So with that knowledge, you'll be armed to go out into the world of antiques and fine art and pick up interesting things and great finds that may be worth a lot of money. And I can share with you every week how I've found some of those over the years, and they've been very profitable. But not only that, it gives you a glimpse into a world that maybe you haven't experienced before. Oh, and I think you'll enjoy it. I've been enjoying it for a very long time, and I hope you will too. So I'll look forward to seeing you every week. Don't miss us, our Antiques Minute with the Antiques Answer Man. See you then.